Hey guys, have you ever checked your YouTube analytics traffic sources and seen something called as other YouTube features and wondered where exactly is this traffic coming from? Is it good for your channel growth? In this video, I will explain you what other YouTube features means in YouTube analytics and how this traffic source actually works. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. Now, in YouTube Studio, go to any video, and if you go to the analytics part of it and click on reach, you can see the traffic sources where which the viewers are finding your video. Browse features, YouTube search, channel pages. But there is also one mysterious category called as other YouTube features, right? This one you can see over here. Let's break down what it really means. Now, I have already created one video which deep dives into what YouTube traffic sources mean and how you can double dip on it, how to grow your channel. Each source helps creators understand how their videos are being discovered. Now, other YouTube features is a catch-all traffic category, right? It includes views that come from YouTube features that don't fit into the main traffic source categories like channel pages, suggested videos, external, playlist, related shorts, notifications. And some of these that fall into this category would be end screens from other videos, notification interactions, YouTube cards in certain cases, some playlist interactions, certain experimental YouTube features rolls out like ad quiz or the new features with YouTube keeps rolling out, or special YouTube surfaces that don't have their own category. Since YouTube keeps introducing new features, many of them temporarily get grouped under other YouTube features, right? That is where the views get generated from. And is it good, the traffic generated? Absolutely. Like, even though the category looks unclear, the views still mean that YouTube is recommending or surfacing your content somewhere inside the platform. If you notice this traffic increasing, it usually means your video is appearing in more YouTube surfaces and the engagement is improving, and YouTube is testing your content with more viewers. So it's generally a good signal. Now, how to analyze this traffic source? As I said, you can just go to the YouTube video, click on reach. You can see how viewers find this video, and you can see how much traffic comes from each source. The pro tips for creators would be, instead of focusing too much on one traffic source, focus on strong thumbnails, engaging titles, high watch time, and audience retention. So that's the explanation of other YouTube features in YouTube analytics and how it fits into YouTube traffic sources. Let me know in the comments which traffic source brings the most views to your channel. I will see you in the next video.